Oh, Greg. If you've got that one on camera. Greg, what did that feel like off the bat? Pretty good?
Middle-ish.
Middle-ish, he says.
Same stuff we've been talking about, as long as it's between top of the stumps and waist high. Hit it hard, hit it hard. Bold. I just want you to hold it like that and try and bowl an outswinger as fast as you can. Comes down, and if it hits the seam, it just goes pa-chung. That was a bit full, but see how it will just go? Like that one to Finch.
On the mic as well.
Or if you keep your head a bit stiller, so get back a touch earlier. And then even if you load up on that back leg, you still got to get your weight coming forward.
Yeah.
As soon as it does anything millimetres, it's not exactly right up the wicket,
Yeah.
up the chimney or you shank it.
Yeah.
You get there, if you load up there, just everything back in that way. Even when it's short, you'll naturally plant that a bit earlier.
You rotate anyway.
Yeah, you smack it.
Yeah. Shot, mate.
Is that wide? Not. Got it, boy.
Bowling Webster bowling it. Greggy here.
Got it for 6 over cover.
Greg's trying to get him for 6 over cover. And he's got him 6 straight. Shot, Greg. Greggy's last 5 balls have gone 6, 6, 4, 6, 6.
Got to do it in the game, Sam.
Hey?
Got to do it in the game.
Down rest. Nice. Roost up. Shot, Coops. Did that nearly hit him?
Yeah, you just stuck it.
Coops just hit a massive 6. Bystander, nearly dead.
Thanks, boys.